Colombia's charm extends beyond its bustling cities, and nestled within the town of Guatape, Antioquia, lies a breathtaking natural wonder, the Rock of Guatape. Known by various names, including the Stone of El Peñol, this colossal inselberg has captured the hearts of locals and travelers alike. Landform description. Picture a granitic rock, weathered by time yet standing tall against the forces of nature. The Peñón de Guatape, an outcrop of the Antioquia batholith, rises majestically, reaching heights of up to 200 meters above its base. Its enduring presence, resistant to weathering and erosion, makes it a remarkable testament to the raw beauty of Colombian landscapes. Visitors eager to witness this marvel can ascend the rock's towering heights via a staircase boasting 708 steps, an architectural feat seamlessly integrated into one side. For those seeking an up-close encounter with nature's grandeur, a modest entrance fee of 25,000 Colombian pesos grants access to the summit. The base of the rock is a hub of activity, with food and market stalls offering a taste of local culture. Colorful murals, painted by talented local artists, adorn the interiors of nearby establishments, creating a vibrant atmosphere that complements the natural beauty of the surroundings. As visitors ascend the staircase, a midway shrine to the Virgin Mary adds a touch of spirituality to the journey. Upon reaching the summit, a 3-story viewpoint tower, a convenience store, and ample seating await, providing a panoramic reward for the climb. The top is encircled by a railing adorned with zócalos, offering a safe space to marvel at the awe-inspiring views. Local attractions and decor. At the base of the Rock of Guatape, a vibrant tapestry of local attractions awaits eager visitors. Food and market stalls line the surroundings, offering a delightful array of culinary delights and handmade treasures. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the flavors and crafts of the region, creating memories to savor long after the visit. The entire area surrounding the rock is not just a sightseeing spot. It's a canvas painted with colorful murals by local artists. These artistic expressions bring the rock to life, telling a visual story that mirrors the beauty of the natural landscape. As you explore the restaurants and stores, these vibrant murals provide a captivating backdrop, adding to the overall charm of the experience. For those seeking a touch of exclusivity, there's a VIP area that beckons. Signs within this space invite tourists to capture the moment against the backdrop of the town's name and La Piedra, creating a personalized memento of their visit. Reaching the summit unveils a 3-story viewpoint tower, a convenience store for essentials, and ample seating to soak in the breathtaking views. The top, encircled by a sturdy railing adorned with zócalos, ensures a safe yet immersive experience for all. Historical significance. The Rock of Guatape is not merely a geological marvel. It carries within its ancient layers a rich tapestry of history. Geologists estimate its age at approximately 65 million years, making it a silent witness to the passage of time and the evolution of the surrounding landscape. Long before official climbs and staircases, the indigenous Tahami people held a reverence for the rock, referring to it as Mojara or Mujara, words that echo with a deep connection to the earth and its formations. Their worship added a spiritual dimension to this colossal structure, one that transcends the physicality of the rock itself. The historical significance of the rock is also marked by its designation as a national monument by the Colombian government in the 1940s. This recognition underscores not just its geological importance, but its cultural and historical value to the nation. As a national monument, the Rock of Guatape is safeguarded, ensuring its preservation for future generations. The declaration acknowledges not only the rock's physical presence, but also its role in Colombia's narrative. It stands as a symbol of national pride, inviting locals and visitors alike to appreciate and cherish the rich heritage embedded in its rugged facade. Geological properties. Beneath the surface of the Rock of Guatape lies a fascinating tapestry of geological properties that narrate the story of its formation. composed of quartz, feldspar, and granite. This colossal rock emerges as a resilient testament to the forces that shaped the Colombian landscape over millions of years. Rising from the bottom of the Peñón de Guatape hydroelectric dam, the rock serves as a natural border landmark between country farms and two cities. At its highest part, on the rear, southeast side, it reaches an elevation of 2,135 meters above sea level, offering a commanding view of the surrounding terrain. Measuring 285 meters in length and 110 meters in width, the rock's dimensions showcase the sheer scale of nature's craftsmanship. It bears some breaks, one of which was harnessed to construct the impressive 740 steps of the stairway leading to the summit. Each step, marked by blue numbers, serves as a tangible reminder of the journey to the top. As we conclude this exploration, we extend an invitation to join us on future adventures. Like and subscribe to our channel for more glimpses into amazing architectural marvels, geological wonders, and the fascinating intersection of nature and human history.